So I have been in his basement. I've been around him. I'm his older cousin, but we are peers in the game. He's the DJ. I'm the rapper. But we love just kicking it with each other. I love his sound. He got the eclectic. He does a lot of stuff that I didn't even listen to. So he has brought forth the blessing of being here. Indeed. Indeed. He has brought the blessing of being here. I've grown up with him, love him. You can see we look alike, you know what I'm saying? And everything he has done, I appreciate. So thank you for coming out, sir. And tell him about what you got online.
BKP TV on YouTube. The clips that we're filming from the Minnow will go on there. Either there or Hot GTV. I'm on Facebook. Low Caps, DJ Cherokee Jerome, all one word. You can find me everywhere. MySpace, webcasting behind you on Stickcam. Done that the entire day.
We got your
I'm just checking on some food. You know? That's my job. Make sure everything is smooth. Make sure this man shine, that man shine, that woman shine. Will shine today. You shine. You shine. You shine, Danny. I see you in the back there. We shine. Thank you, Rico.
And April. Slam B. Vote for April for the TV show. We don't want to see Wendy. We don't want to see Oprah. And we got 3 DVDs on the side that are about the issue that we are having. I mean, Lamont Jefferson, come here too, Lamont. This is my partner that I started this nonprofit with. You see him videotaping. Lamont Jefferson, Chico. He's also wearing Folly. If you saw the Folly down there, this is our fashion line that we have. You know what I mean? Passionately, him and others love their individuals. So Folly is what we're doing. But anyway, this is Lamont. We got free DVDs, so pick up a free DVD. You don't have to pay nothing. A radical price called free. Free. Go grab a CD, DVD, and watch it tonight. Get your popcorn and all that good stuff.
Hey, is that the one you all just singing?
No, this is some stuff pertinent to the AIDS information. What would you say this is?
This is definitely a different way to look at the AIDS epidemic right now that's going on in the world right now.
Ask them out. They're free. Go check them out. You know what I mean? Back here.
Hey,
Yo, we're gonna do this.
I'll put them on just for
I can't get it. You did.
so I can actually get them.
Right here.
What's up, baby?
Nothing. How you doing?
Huh?
Indulge. You and what? You and what street?